Hi there, it's Miss Nina, and I want to read you a new book that I have that is really fun, and it is called Honk Honk Beep Beep. What you can do is you can help me make the sounds. We're going to go honk honk beep beep. Can you do that with me? Honk honk beep beep. Honk honk beep beep. Very good. Are you ready? We're going to read the book. Let's open it. Oh. Wake up, sleepyhead. Time's a-wastin', out of bed. He's in the bed. Time to wake up. Lift those legs. Climb in the Jeep. Time to go. Honk honk, beep beep. Can you do it? Honk honk, beep beep. Very good. He's getting in the car. Through the town and past the park, headlights gleaming in the dark. Here's the lights in the dark. Papa turns the steering wheel. Round the corner, tires squeal. Turning the car really fast. Across the road, two rabbits leap. Hit the brakes. Honk honk beep beep. Care to join us for a ride? Come on, friends. There's room inside. The rabbits are jumping. Jump, jump, jump. And then they're going to go in the car. Big trucks make a roaring sound. 16 wheels hug the ground. Big truck. Here's a bear. And look, the rabbits are inside the car now. Road crew working up ahead. Lights are flashing orange and red. Here's the road crew. They're working on the road. And here's the lights, orange and red. Traffic slows down to a creep. We're losing time. Ready? Honk honk, beep beep. Workers finished with their shift. Buddy, can we get a lift? The workers want to go in the car. What do you think they say? Yes or no? They said yes, there are the workers in the car. Over heels, past fields of wheat. The breeze is cool and the air is sweet. Farmer, hurry, move your sheep. Clear the way. Honk honk beep beep. Look at all those sheep. Come on, sheep, move, move. Honk honk beep beep. Oh, the sheep are in the car now. Look at all those people in the car. Hello, buddy. Why the frown? I need a tow. My car's broken down. Looks like you could use a break. Climb on in, for goodness sake. Oh, the monkey's very sad. His car's broken. Look at the tire. He's going to go in the car with everybody else. What do you see? Ding, 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 ding. Trains roll past the crossing gate. How long will we have to wait? Passengers are still asleep. Move along! Honk honk beep beep! Come on, train! Honk honk beep beep! Look at everyone in the train is sleeping. Ooh, it's nighttime. Making time, we're doing fine. Soon the sun will rise and shine. Look at everybody in the car. I see the sheep and the workers and the boy and the farmer. There's a lot of people in the car. Squeezing tight, the Jeep is full. Nearly too much weight to pull. Whew, there's the monkey too. So many people in the car. Up the hillside, very steep, shifting gears. Honk honk beep beep. Going up, 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 up. Whoo! Honk honk beep beep. Birds are singing, flying high. There's color in the eastern sky. Here's the perfect place to stop. It's sunrise on the mountaintop. Woohoo! Everybody gets out of the car. And they're going to look outside at the sun. I'm glad we didn't oversleep. What a day! Honk, honk, beep, beep. Look at everybody on the window, and the boy is awake, and those are all of his toys. That is the end. And there's a duck. What sound did we make in our book? Do you remember? Honk, honk, beep, beep. Very good. We had some fun sounds in our car book. And everybody got in the car and they drove around helping people. And then it was morning time and the sun came up. Did you like the book? Yes? Or no? I hope you liked it. I like this book and I like sharing it with you today. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.